Listen to the story carefully. Story 23. Gorky Park. I walked through Moscow, surrounded by snow, secrets and shadows, when a crime changed everything. 3 bodies. One mystery and a city full of whispers pulled me into a dangerous puzzle. I questioned everyone, noticed tiny clues and felt the weight of lies pressing down. Trust was rare and danger hid behind polite faces. As I dug deeper, I realized that truth and justice weren't simple. They were tangled with fear, greed, and survival. Each step closer made the world colder, sharper, and more complex. By the end, I saw that uncovering the truth meant risking everything, but also that patience, courage, and careful thinking could shine a light even in the darkest streets. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.